Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this vitamin C moisturizing face cream. It's easy to make and this face cream is super effective. This will help to keep your face well hydrated. It will help to moisturize your face all day. It will help to brighten your face, get rid of acne. This is very effective guys. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If this video interests you, please keep watching. Let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the vitamin C moisturizing face cream, first you need carrot. Get one carrot, go ahead and peel off the skin. We'll be using carrot because the presence of beta carotene, phenolic acid and vitamin C in carrot help to improve skin tone. They also help to prevent dark spots and blemishes caused by excessive exposure to the UV rays and free radicals. So after peeling the skin of the carrot, go ahead and grate it with the smallest size of your grater. If you don't want to grate, you can go ahead and blend it without adding water, or you can add little water, okay? So that is it guys. Carrot is very beneficial to the skin. Carrot can help to fade away dark spots, clear acne and all that. Yes. So after grating the carrot, the next thing we have to do here is to go ahead and get the carrot oil. And to do that, here I have my saucepan. Go ahead and get your own saucepan. Add oil into it. For me, I will be using sweet almond oil. You can use any oil you want. You can use coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil. You can use what is it called? Olive oil. Any oil that is suitable to your skin, feel free to use it, okay? So now I'll go ahead and add some amount into the saucepan. I added little because I am not making much. So I'll proceed by adding the grated carrot into the saucepan. Also, you need to cook in a low heat. Make sure that the heat is in the lowest level, okay? So after that, you continuously stir it. Don't leave it. You continuously stir it so that it will not get burnt, okay? So guys, that is it. Why we are doing this is because we want to extract the carrot nutrient. We want to make carrot oil first, okay? So that's it. If you already have carrot oil, maybe you don't need to undergo this process, okay guys? Yes, that's it. So now the carrot oil is ready. We'll move over to the next step, which is extracting the oil. Get a clean cup. Don't mind this sieve. It's turmeric that stained this my sieve. So get a clean cup. Go ahead and transfer the carrot into the sieve. And once that is done, you squeeze out the carrot oil. There are some benefits of carrots to the skin, guys. If you have dark spots, you can actually grate carrot, squeeze out the juice, use cotton wool. Dip the cotton wool into the carrot juice and use it to clean your face. After cleaning your face, don't wash it out. Doing that overnight can help to clear your dark spots, okay? So now that I'm done extracting the carrot oil, the next thing to do is to get a clean plate. And here I have my clean plate with me. I'll go ahead and take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the carrot oil. I will add it into the plate. Remember, I like making my DIY treatment in a small quantity because it's something you just have to use like 3 to 4 days and discard it. So there's no need making it in a large quantity. Okay, so now I will go ahead and add aloe vera gel. Yes, aloe vera gel helps to soothe sunburn. It helps, it has a clean properties and it helps to moisturize the skin. boosts healing of the wounds, fights aging, lightens blemishes on the face and the skin. So aloe vera is very good when it comes to treating blemishes, okay? So guys, you can use fresh aloe vera gel or like the type I'm using here. Yes, you can use any of it, but using the fresh one, you have to blend it and get the gel. Yeah. So after that, I'll go ahead and mix very well. You have to mix it very well so that the oil and the aloe vera will mix together. This is what I have after mixing. The next thing to add here is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very essential to the skin. If you like, you can skip it, but if you have it, please add it. It will take this face cream to the next level. Okay guys, so this is what I have. I'm done mixing it. Now this is how you use it. For this face cream, whenever you finish applying your DIYs or washing your face, just go ahead and take small amount of it. Before you apply it, make sure your face is washed. Take amount of it and apply it all over your face. This will help to keep your face well moisturized. It will help to hydrate your face and get rid of wrinkles. So that is it, guys. This is how you can actually make your own vitamin C moisturizing face cream at home. Okay, the rest of the cream you can cover it and store it on your kitchen counter for 3 days, and after 3 days throw it away and prepare another one. Okay, so guys, that is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.